Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have in front of us one of the most powerful electric scooters that we have tested so far, the Ausom DT2 Pro. And let me tell you right away, this is not ordinary city scooter, this is a real electric monster that combines dual motors with a power of 1100 watt each, reaches speeds of up to 68 km per hour, has autonomy of up to 115 km and costs, believe me or not, only around 90-100 euros, and you can buy it on a Geek Buying web shop with a coupon code for even a lower price. For that price you get off-road performance, advanced suspension, cool LED light, and all this in a package that looks like it came from the future. So get comfortable because the Ausom DT2 Pro video review follows. When you open the Ausom DT2 Pro box, the first thing that greets you is its impressive size and weight. Very well protected in the box. With it we get a charger and adequate adapter, a spare NFC card for starting the scooter, a warranty card, and DT2 Pro detail user manual. The scooter comes partially assembled, but at the first glance it's clear that this is not some kind of a toy for the city streets. The strong aluminum construction, massive suspension and the wide platform immediately make it clear that this is a serious machine. When you first take it out, the feeling of its weight of 33.5 kilograms confirms that you are dealing with a device that is built for stability, strength and durability. Assembly is simple, you just need to fix the steering wheel and secure the yellow safety mechanism at the bottom of the column. First impression, it looks like a scooter designed for soldiers, not recreation users. The DT2 Pro is made of a 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum alloy known for its exceptional strength and resistance to bending. The frame is massive and the lines are sharp and precisely cut. Everything exudes a modern industrial style. The entire silhouette of the scooter looks aggressive and aerodynamic with pronounced shock absorber shoulders and a wide platform that provides stability at a higher speed. But what makes it visually special are these LED light effects. Blue LED strips stretch along the side edges of the platform, creating impression that the scooter is floating above the road, and the front of the frame lights up with the LED logo Ausom in the same blue tone. These lights are not only aesthetics but also practical. They improve visibility at night and make driving safer. Up close you can see that its finish is top-notch, a matte gray surface that is resistant to scratches, rubberized parts and joints, and firmly welded elements. There is a bright LED light on the front that illuminates the road 10 meters ahead of you, while there is a red brake light on the rear fender, and additionally integrate turn signals that are activated using a special switch on the steering wheel. The heart of the scooter is made up of two brushless motors of 1100 watt each, with a total peak power of exactly 2912 watt. This power allows it to reach a maximum speed of up to 68 km per hour, which is almost twice as much as most electric scooters in this price category. In addition to speed, the 53% gradient is also fascinating, which means that it climbs even at the steepest city slopes without losing power. The ride can be adjusted through the three modes: Eco mode, Sport mode and Race, and by pressing a special button you can choose one of the two active motors. In the dual motor mode, the DT2 Pro becomes a real rocket on the wheels. The acceleration is so strong that it can surprise even more experienced drivers. For that reason it is recommended for the first move in Eco mode and only then switching to faster settings. The engines have stabilization electronics that reduce risk of speed wobble and keep the front wheel centered, which is in practice means greater safety at speeds above 50 kilometers. At the heart of this platform is a 52-volt 23.4 amp-hour lithium battery with a capacity of 1260 watt-hours. The manufacturer claims a range of up to 115 km per charge, which can be achieved by riding in eco mode with one motor. In a real world, with combined riding and occasional use of both motors, you can expect a realistic 70 to 80 km, which is still a fantastic result. A particularly useful feature is these dual charging ports, which means that if you use two chargers, you can cut the charging time in half to around 6 hours. With the standard charger, it charges 10 to 12 hours and the charging is stable and safe thanks to the multi-layer protection against overheating and overcharging. The DT2 Pro uses 10.3-inch wide tubeless tires with a deep tread, which combine the perfect balance between on-road and light off-road use. These tires have reinforced sidewalls and a self-sealing layer, which means that are puncture resistant and can withstand high speeds without vibration. The 3-inch width provides exceptionally good contact with the ground, which is essentially for stability and high speeds and sudden changes of direction. The Ausom DT2 Pro uses a durable swing arm suspension system with shock absorbers in both the front and the rear. This advanced suspension not only absorbs shocks but also maintains stability at the higher speeds. At the same time, it provides a high ground clearance of 26 cm, which means that the scooter can easily handle larger curbs or uneven terrain. Compared to some other models, the DT2 Pro has suspension that surpass even the more expensive in terms of comfort and softness. The Ausom DT2 Pro brings a real technological refresh to the world of electric scooters, and one of the most prominent innovations is the NFC unlocking system. Instead of a traditional key or PIN code, just touch one of the included NFC card to the central display and voila, your scooter is ready to ride. This large and clear display shows relevant information such as the speed, battery status, selected speed, eco, normal, sport, distance, and even the control temperature. This level of control gives the rider complete freedom to tailor the riding experience to their own needs. The control module on the left side has electric horn buttons, direction indicators, and a round button with which we activate more power by driving on both wheels. On the right side we have a button for turning on the lights, plus and minus button which changes gears, as well as ergonomic handle with so-called finger hook throttle, which allows precise and easy acceleration control. The DT2 Pro uses hydraulic disc brakes on both wheels in combination with the electronics eABS system. The result is extremely short stopping distance and stable braking even at higher speed. eABS also prevents wheel locking, while regenerative braking runs some of the energy back to the battery. In practice, the braking feels controlled and, if necessary, energetic. On the road, the scooter is a real spectacle. In race mode and with both motors engaged, the DT2 Pro literally flies. Acceleration is instantaneous, the feeling of power under your feet is incredible, and stability is at a high level thanks to its weight and low center of gravity. At the higher speeds there is no vibration or drifting, everything feels controlled. On poor asphalt and gravel, the shock absorbers do a fantastic job, and even longer rides do not tire you. Now, folding the DT2 Pro scooter is a simple but requires strength to its weight. The system uses a yellow safety mechanism on the bottom of the steering wheel. Due to its weight and strength, it's clear that this model is built for stability, not portability. Although it is not practical for everyday transport, it easily fits in the trunk of a car. Due to its enormous power and speed, this scooter is not for complete beginners. At 60 plus km per hour, any mistake can be dangerous, which is why a helmet, protections and suitable jacket are absolutely necessary. The Ausom DT2 Pro is a true electric beast on two wheels. It offers performance usually found in device twice its price and combines it with the outstanding design, comfort and advanced technology. Its speed, range, suspension and visual identity place it at the very top of its class. If you're looking for a scooter that combines a brutal power, comfort and a futuristic look, the DT2 Pro is hard to beat. For less than €1,000, there is simply no better choice in 2025. At the end of the review, I would like to emphasize, if you're thinking about buying this extraordinary machine, the best place to do it is the GeekBuying web shop. Right now there is a coupon code. It is possible to get the Ausom DT2 Pro model at a very affordable price, around €900. Don't wait too long. If you see the opportunity, take advantage of it, because the stock of such models often disappears quickly. Click enter the coupon code at checkout and secure your DT2 Pro while you have the chance. Thanks again for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.